Bakit may mga taong ang sarap kausap tapos may iba naman na parang ang awkward kahit wala naman silang ginawang mali? Nabasa ko yan dito sa book na The Art of Talking to Anyone by Rosalie Maguio na minsan hindi naman personality ang problema sa conversations. Minsan may mga small habits tayo na hindi natin namamalayan na naka-affect na pala siya sa flow ng usapan. And eto yung tatlong common conversation mistake na ginagawa ng karamihan. Mistake number 1. Talking too much about yourself. Kapag ikaw lang yung nagkukwento or nagsasalita for a long time, nawawala yung balance ng conversation. Kahit interesting pa yung story mo, pwedeng ma-feel ng kausap mo na parang wala silang space makapag-share. Parang na-monopolize mo yung conversation. One simple technique na na-mention dito sa book is that involve the other person. You ask a questions or invite their opinion or ask about their experience. Kasi mas nagiging engaging ang conversations kung pareho may participation. Mistake number 2. Trying too hard to be funny. Minsan iniisip natin na kailangan natin maging entertaining para maging interesting kausap. Pero when you try too hard to be funny, minsan nagiging force yung energy. Ang point na binabanggit dito sa book is that good conversations are usually relaxed. Often the funniest or the most enjoyable moments and conversations come from natural reactions, small observations, or genuine curiosity about the other person. Mistake number 3. Giving advice too quickly. Kapag may nagsishare ng problem or concern nila, automatic minsan nagbibigay agad tayo ng solution or advice. Pero maraming tao ang hindi naman naghahanap agad ng advice. Most of the time, they just want to be heard first. Kapag naramdaman nila na pinapakinggan na sila or naintindihan na sila, mas nagiging open na sila sa conversation. Listening first makes the interaction feel more supportive instead of judgmental. I think this book was published way back on 2005 and simple lang yung mga ideas dito sa book pero malaking difference siya sa quality ng conversations natin with friends, co-workers, or even the new people we meet.